kind of warmed up for a couple days, but now it's cold again. I like it. Today we're gonna go check out another rooftop park. Should be cool. If you're just finding this channel, I pick out places in New York City to go explore, and I take you with me. I got on the wrong subway last week, but today we really are going downtown. Let's go. It's taken me a year and a half to figure out that setting on my watch where I can just tap the watch and pay for the subway without having to open anything. It's the little things, you know. The Wall Street station's on one of the oldest lines in the subway. It's pretty cool. They've got one of the original wooden token booths here. History. It's nice. Once again, here's Trinity Church. We've been there. Check out that episode if you haven't seen it. I've been doing this long enough that pretty much everywhere we go now we pass by something that we've already seen. It's kind of nice. Wall Street and the Stock Exchange. We've been here too. Check out that episode. That's 40 Wall Street. One of the first really tall buildings in New York was competing in the skyscraper wars in the early 20th century. This is the entrance to the rooftop park that I'm going to. It's called the Elevated Acre. I've seen a lot of YouTubers and Instagrammers come here, but I haven't seen it yet, so I want to come check it out myself. Apparently the escalators are closed. It's a little walk. As with a lot of places, I'm sure that winter isn't the best time to come here, but this fit the time that I had today, so here we are. You can just use your imagination. Imagine this is all lush and green. Yeah, as a bonus, there's still some snow on the ground. There's a heliport right there, so it will be loud on and off. These are some killer views though. Like a greatest hits episode. We're passing by all this stuff that we've already seen. Right over there you can see just the tip of the Staten Island Ferry. That's the Staten Island Ferry terminal. We rode that a couple weeks ago. Check out that episode if you haven't seen it. And like I said, this is a heliport. I think one's about to take off. Back behind the heliport, you can see Governor's Island. We've been there a couple times. Check out those episodes if you haven't seen them. But the park's on this side. There's not much to it, but let's walk around a little more. Right there you can see the Wall Street dock for the NYC Ferry. We've been there too. We've done a lot in a year and a half. The great thing about New York is there's a ton more to do. I'm looking right in the sun now. Look at this guy. This is labeled the 1st Precinct Police Station. I don't think it's a police station anymore, but it's a beautiful old building. And there's a little park down there called Old Slip. We'll go check that out in a minute. And then right up there, you can see the green top. That's 40 Wall Street, where we just were. There's not much to it, but it's a nice place to come and sit and eat if you're in the area. Another cute little rooftop park. All right, I got a couple other things I want to check out on this little adventure. Let's go down to that Old Slip Park. Here's that old police station. It's nice. The date on the crest up there says 1909, and there's a padlock on the door. So there's a police station. This little sliver of space in between the two streets. It's called Old Slip Park. It's not much of a park. I'm guessing the Old Slip has something to do with the river right there. Back over there, you can see the old Cotton Exchange building. All right, there's one more place I want to go check out, the New York City Vietnam Memorial. These are apparently the best chicken tenders you'll ever eat. That's a bold claim. Elevated Acre again. Look at that. The map just told us that that building that used to be a police station is actually the New York City Police Museum. It didn't look very open, but there you go. So of course they're doing construction right here, but just on the other side of these buildings is France's Tavern, which we've seen also. I don't know if you can see what's inscribed on the wall there, but it's letters home from the soldiers. That's pretty moving. Now we're down here right over by the heliport, Pier 6, and the Brooklyn Bridge. Look at that. We've been there. Check that episode out if you haven't seen it. We've actually done all the other bridges too. There's a whole bridges playlist I've got made if you want to look for that. Vietnam Veterans Plaza. All right, let's go find the subway. So the fastest way home should be the way that I came, which is the 405, but there were signal problems on the 405. They said going in both directions. So we crawled down between 42nd Street and 14th Street at like a walking pace. So I think I may try a different subway to get home. Elevated Acre again. Old Cotton Exchange. Here's Stone Street. I'm back up to the east side. It was a nice little trip. Cool little parks. If you're just finding this channel, be sure to check out all the rest of the episodes already available up to the east side on YouTube. Please subscribe. Tell your friends. Look for new episodes every Friday. I'll see you next time.